How you like it?
It's fine.
Can you do a little burnout right here?
A burnout?
Yeah. Just give it a bunch of gas and drop the clutch. Got it on tape. Is it still going?
Huh?
Yep. It's all on tape.